When it comes to embedding videos in posts and pages, WordPress provides several blocks to make the process as easy as possible. To get started, navigate to the content you want to add a video to. You can click on the plus icon where you want to embed the video, then click on Browse All and scroll down to the Embed section of the block library to see the available sources. WordPress includes dedicated blocks for video embeds from YouTube, Flickr, Vimeo, Animoto, Dailymotion, TikTok, TED, VideoPress, and WordPress TV. Alternatively, you can use the generic embed block to include content from other sources, or the video block from the media section of the block library to embed a video you've uploaded to your WordPress site or saved on your computer. Once you've chosen the appropriate block, simply paste the URL for the video you want to embed in the field provided. When embedding content from a third-party platform, you can typically find the appropriate URL in the video's sharing settings. To see how your video looks on the front end, just click on the Preview button. Once you're happy with it, click on Publish or Update to make your changes live.